Welcome guys, if you wanna send data from your Alcatel One X 2019 to another Android device, for the first we have to download the application that we are going to use, and mine it is the name Clone It, and I downloaded it from the Google Play Store, so I'm gonna open it on the both smartphones. And we are sending data from our Alcatel to the Android smartphone, so click sender here. Click allow again, and click receiver on the Android smartphone. Tap on the search again. Click on the Android share icon, and we have two ways to connect: scanning the QR code and input the password. I'm gonna input the password. The password you will find here. Okay, and it's 714012855DD25. Download the connect. Accept request. And if you want to take everything from your Alcatel, just select all of this icon. And I'm gonna just click on the details because there is only example. So probably I'm going for the photos, or there is no photos, so maybe I'm gonna transfer the application. So I'm gonna send the 3D Mark application. Tap on the start. Now it's importing, so we have to wait a little bit. Okay, and it's finished, so tap finish on the smartphones, click here, click on the receive apps, and now we can install the 3D Mark. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.